What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. And my people, boy may I tell you. You see in life sometime, all the time, you have to know what you do. And any decision you make, you have to stand up in your truth. You see me I say? That me have to tell a man. You see it? You can't make a decision or do anything, and then when it comes to the consequences of that decision that you make, you're puny when whatever happen. You see me? Also, don't play with anybody's emotions. Very serious thing that. You know what I mean? Especially a woman. Remember, a woman can't hold a man and beat them up like a man. We hold a woman if a woman ramp put him certain way and do whatever, although it not right still, but man do it anyway. You see it? Woman are gonna find some other way to do whatever they want to do. Right? So, people, me see Yankee on a live a while ago with Ivany. And me I telling you my people, this not the same person. Big man thing. I mean I said John no star. Look on this man. Look how man look you know. Him look like a little poor thing. You see me I say? But I one thing me have to tell him, say youth, live in your truth. You know what I mean? Do whatever you want to do. If you want to do with man or woman, do it. Because I know you alone not do it. You see me I say? So nobody go puny up yourself and you know what I mean? Just live your life. There are worse things in life than that. Although me can't pinpoint right now still, but yeah. And Missy Ivany I tell Annie say she mess up. She do what she do to this youth yeah. You know what I mean? And I don't lie my people. This youth yeah no have nobody at Jamaica. Even don't have nobody for lean pan. You see me I say, and you isolate him right now from everybody. You see it? Because nobody now go and deal with him up front. And me I tell you say, look by look, them people are with him on live with him and match with him, I go drop him. He maybe don't get all the gifts them. He maybe don't get as much gift as he used to get. Because people are going to say, yo, this a boy, a batty boy. Them not associate themselves with him. I only boy, my people, I don't know if you say, but Annie go too far in that something here. I don't feel say she should have come out and expose him, but we don't know what she feel inside. Because she come say, him disrespect her, you know what I mean? And he might treat her some type of way after all of the good treatment then what she get from him. She must feel a way still. Me agree with that. You know what I mean? She have to feel some type of way. And hurt people. You see it? So right away, me know say she hurt make she hurt him. And she said him did not move a certain type of way, disrespectful way towards she. So that's why, you know what I mean? So here I go with my people. I go watch Ivany and make Annie know say a fool in she do and why a fool in she do. And I tell Yankee, Yankee have to watch himself too, you know my people. You see, I know which part him a go, because the other day Annie say him that then I'm torn, and him say him never that then I'm torn. You see me I say? So him have to watch the places them him visit. Know that someone out there with him I do some things to himself. You know what I mean? And honestly I know one video alone, more video there. You see me? So him have to watch which part him go. Because if him going at the wrong community, then maybe beat him up. You see me I say? So my people, make we get in it because a lot may have to share. Because the lion man and the woman they on live with Annie and the G I say him I go left him woman with Annie for Annie teach her how to cook. And me I tell them, TV sign off for people. The wife, you know, that are the lion man wife, me I go show her reaction because she feels some type of way. Me always hear them say, you know, if you talk about a woman cooking, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, how them are gonna know say them now cook the food good. You know what I mean? So they could get in that with people.
Hey, deal, man, Jenna. What go on, Swag?
Active in the mountain, big up in the where are they with?
What the new song? No song?
Eh?
No
Yeah,
song?
man, no song, the pipe page, man, me drop it for morning. Me just a wake up back.
What song? Wait tight, Zentel, cause that's all it all need, you know. Easy, no one come over people name that mountain. Besides, you know, bro.
But what me I say? So if the man never left Annie, she would come out gone dark. The body don't know. If the man never left you, would come out gone dark. But through the man left you now, yeah, come out gone say, I'm a batty man, but you're there with the batty man, you buy a ring with the batty man, you cook food for the batty man, and you pull the custom. I wonder if you're touching son, ain't son name.
Yo, I'm so glad. Listen me out. I'm not really busy with Annie and thing, and now who myself for?
Oh.
Zozo. You know what myself is Zozo? Cause remember, Yankee did go touch Prudence, and when I Prudence did kissy thing, and go back go kiss Zozo.
Bumbo clad. Jesus Christ, you see, yo, I have flex. You see, some woman, brother. You see, woman. Oh, God, I have flex, you know, something that breathe so deep.
Me just say me never pre deep either. Me just say.
You know, say you gonna be and bring down Zozo, cause you don't never think about it until you start talk about it. Now I tell Zozo say
yeah, yo, man tell him if I'm catching listen, if I'm catching by a trolling match. Listen, Mountain. If I'm catching Mountain, if I'm catching by a trolling match, I first see me I gonna bring him down, boy. If I go flip go bask him with him, me can't tell you that.
So what you know? Yo boy, Prudent should have never, yo boy, but you're not telling lie now, you're saying Prudent at always moment, as Zozo they still right, you know, and his sister, yo, she make a little dirty batty man, come.
Yeah.
But true. Then again, Prudent, he said she take fucking her body with boy, man. Yeah,
so everywhere Zozo go, in get mess up.
Oh, boy, you didn't think I'm fucking at that. Where you think about that mountain? Mountain, tell me now. If
I'm gonna ask you, what you think about Mountain sit down and watch the video? What you think about that?
you need to come now, mountain.
No, remember say it different.
It don't matter, it can't different.
Shut up,
Not different.
Talk to the man now.
Not different.
You can't talk to us. Listen to me, Swag. Listen to me, Swag. You hear me?
They never come down to.
Listen to me, Swag. It's different when you watch out the whole video.
Watch
you
out.
see, when me do, the something
that what different that what different
run through it so I can come report to you. If me no report to you,
me never why you go report to me in a fish video. So you can keep that report there. Me never swag glad why you report to him. Me never why you report to monitoring fish video. Swag glad why
yeah, real. Yo, if you search the boy a blood clot, if you search the boy a gender,
so you go watch the fish video, that means I'm not search for gender. So
let me tell you.
Make this clear to me, Mountain. So me now watch a video with a man and a man. That means I'm not search for my gender. That you say.
Not a man and a man, bumble.
So, so me now watch a video with a man and a man.
Well, me swag. So you say swag?
Nah, do it. Me now watch it. Me now know about
that. Me now watch it.
Me make woman watch it and tell me, but me nah use my
That's
guy.
all I say. So all the thing I watch porn and watch the next man and wheel out him, and back him out till him come on a girl face. On watch them something there.
Oh, brother, we know that the boy man back him.
Never watch porn yet. None of them watch blows. None of them watch
him some. Alright, so you feel
Me not gonna lie.
None of them watch porn.
Me used to watch it, but I was girl.
No man, watch porn. No girl and man porn watch that or two girl.
Yeah.
Still I look for man
You know what,
old.
man, I want porn like you. Hey, Mountain.
On still active man old. On still
But
active
watch
man
now,
old.
Mountain. There's a difference. That man a pussy and in I'm body.
Man old.
I'm body man put. What they say? I'm body. They say
That
pussy
boy
and
drop my side. Ask him know
I look for man old.
He want the video. Tell him, tell the people what that video.
Mountain.
Listen.
And the
Tell him
reason
about one.
the man I've been thinking, I man do.
Acho.
Away man do a serious thing that Mountain have look on them thing.
Why Mountain? Yeah, alright. A Mountain job. Why Mountain you choose the wrong job? You mother would you see that you're a job?
I wrong job before. I eat what's up.
I watched the woman over his family. I watched
Hey,
the one
what's
them
up?
saying.
That 4 rose shot.
I watched the one them saying.
That 4 rows. We
Two
see
more
bodies.
shots.
We go
I'm big down dirty blood clot, you know.
2 more rose and 1 more.
Annie, listen. Alright, Annie, talk truth now. If the boy that a Yankee did come out and expose you, just say I you did in the video. And I do what him did I do. And him expose you. Let bygones be bygones and fear be fear. You think we would up on the internet tell him for go lock you up? Tell you to lock him up? It would have been same thing. If we know say Yankee expose you and put out your video when you fuck your bottom, we the people that tell you go and make a report and lock up Yankee because Yankee never fit do that. Be real. So Annie, why now? Because you thank you I said. Why now? Because you put out a video, nobody enough to tell us say you're wrong. What we supposed to do, Annie? Tell us say you're right because you expose somebody. As much as all the person, you and the person and something and the person cuss you, we fi just say, Annie, you're right. Yeah, man, you're right. He should have tell us say my body man to expose him. Or expose him because him doing this and him say that. So if we tell us say you're right when you're wrong. Look how much time you tell people say they're wrong and they have to listen. Why nobody can tell you when you wrong?
Me people, me can't believe, you know, me can't believe Ivany is the voice of reasoning, telling a person what they should have not done. You see me I say, Ivany, a fall person, yo, when Ivany see certain things go on and people do certain things, Ivany if you just sit aside and it's either don't give no opinion on it as to you shouldn't have done that. You better come and say, oh you mean, yeah man, I right thing you do. You know why? Because she's a person where you can't tell her what to do. And even if you tell her what to do, she no business. She do what she feel like, when she feel like, how she feel like, not giving her FUCK what the consequences are. You see me I say, you know much time people tell her don't do this or don't do that and she still do it. You see me I say? But me don't know if she ever exposed nobody upon that magnitude where Annie exposed this youth. You understand? Plus this youth don't have nobody at Jamaica. So, boy, my people, me not going to say me feel it for him because it's how you spread the bed you lay down in night and you have to know what you're doing in life. You see me I say? But, you don't feel like say anybody will see him and do him nothing? That are the thing I'm more for ask, you know. So make you watch some more.
We don't understand what a man do, but the fact that he reporting part wrong. Cause you not only he end up in a post. Suppose somebody chop off a man in the morning. You know, you see same internet going like then up on your side. I see him internet go turn around and say, lock up Annie fine and you too much cutlass them the people them on the app. So all that who in your comment section where that talk about. Don't add Vany a hypocrite. Don't you do the right thing, Annie. These people on the internet only like to be entertained. Say she gone. They only like to be entertained, chat. As soon as you entertain them and you give them what they want and you report the man and you're gonna expose the man. When police lock you up because the man report you and anything happened to him, it's same out where I cheer for you, I see a out I say lock her up, she wrong. You can't make social media hype you up.
Right,
Me not care if she want vex and go where the truth. You have to have somebody will tell you say you're wrong. The man could tell one lie for you like that for you put out.
Vany, big man thing. What she think when she post that video there? She know say yo all of people are gonna look down upon her and be
That's what I say. Ziggy, if I did Yankee expose Annie right now, me that tell Annie to go report Yankee.
What you mean?
What me that tell Annie go report ya? I mean I help her report him if it was the other way around.
My personal life never come on the media, dog. When do behind closed, don't never come over here. When you come over here on the personal life.
So over
you can't stay in the house.
Yeah, make sure not fear make sure my food, you know, make sure cuss and do what she want. Cause I can tell you now if that the man
look, so they're gonna stop me now. How it is?
I can tell you now if that the man put a foot outside. If a man put a foot outside and anything happen to him, I need the people them are gonna go for cause share the main victim now to expose him. With this internet yeah, them would have tell the police them say Annie cause them not loyal to nobody. This internet yeah, them are switch them out and say Annie.
Hee-haw! Hee-haw!
What if him go commit suicide, right?
Who my Yankee? Oh, him live nasty life, him born and grown like that. I want to you. Could I get for from about here?
I remember say a Yankee today, we taking you on alive. Do you think so?
No, a regular thing for him. My man nasty life them live. Thank you, friend. We just promote Yankee. And big man just kind of walk for our dignity, dog. And I shame tree, bro. Nothing else. I know what else to say. You see, dog? I have nothing else to say, dog. Because if you have a man like that, and a man do you so well, oh, you come talk that, dog.
I love it. Chad, I Javi Yankee did that bomb. They say never to smoke without fire. Yes, they always the for life together. What make a today now him sit down for life with Yankee. It have to deal with bottom. There goes Javi. Want it have to deal with bottom. Watch him like an investigator and I make like see. Watch him. So the man that want it look obvious who said Javi, so him said Jay. I die my husband. Hey dear. Make you
Ziggy, chill there, reason, you know. If you're never there,
you can't talk to them argument that bigger than me, no Jake. Stop calling me, Jake. Stop calling me.
Ziggy,
stop calling me, Jake. Stop calling me, no about to story.
You're not reason with your job, bro. You understand? For real.
Every night, me and Vany there, me not entertain she talk what she want to talk, me talk what me want to talk, that's not enough with me. She not talk to me, she talk to people on our platform.
We just said,
mute that. Vany, tell them directly, I'm mute you. We just mute her, look at me mute her again. When she want to talk, anybody want you Vany, say go over Vany. Me have my platform. Yeah, go over Vany. You want your nastiness. You mute she. Chat, power top. Me and her power every day. She can't broke me out Jake. She can broke you out to see, watch and see. She said, look at Jake. When I said Jake, yeah, call, say come.
I will be hearing him. I know that Jake.
That's on the internet that we are reason about the internet gossip. But what is internet gossip we are reason about?
Me not promote no top class Batman. Me not promote none of them.
So you're 300,000. I 300,000 you afraid of?
Who 300,000?
They can't stand it. The people that check they spend 300,000 often, you know.
And do what? Me can't spend 300,000 too. I'm more than 300,000. Oh, wait, so when we have money, Jake, we not broke Jake. Jake, you not broke Jake.
You know,
Right
bro,
now,
dog.
You know, me
You know,
still
bro.
can't
That's been changing
understand.
to. Yeah. Chat power
Yankees the
talk. Beg me
animal
something.
breed. Yankees the
You know,
animal breed and
can't
it's
beg
over
and save.
like a breed.
I we change it to me. We do the same thing too. Yeah. Beg and save and we change it to.
This can go on.
Well, tell me change
Cheryl,
it to.
please. Now they're going to live go then. Please, Cheryl.
Yankees the animal breed and Annie the pan her life look like
Chat,
she
me give Kelly the can't start for me. Give Kelly look crap, look at weird dog.
Maybe you to know, blood clot man. Yankees the animal breed, but Annie sit down over pan her life look like she have breathing symptoms. You know, like when you just catch your belly. When you start at the things I come up on you. She eat Remy Nogo. She sit down like she evil. She won't have that look there in her face. Right now, Annie have a misunderstanding pregnancy. Fake, what you call a pregnancy there when you feel like you're pregnant but you do want to test you're not pregnant? What do you call it? What do you call it? Mislead symptoms or something like that. When you feel like you're pregnant, and you tell yourself you're pregnant, but you're not pregnant. That she have.
What that name, chat?
Already work.
What bipolar? She bipolar.
Them say a gas.
Phantom. We know about miscarriage. We know about wrong tube.
Like the person that you can't do it.
Where you call her? Where you call her? When you go out, we talk where you be there now.
Not like gas. Phantom pregnancy. Phantom pregnancy.
Phantom. Oh.
Phantom pregnancy. Chat said name. So them face you over here. Out of gas.
Chat, they're gonna stop me.
And she probably just exposed her, yeah. Cause when me hear about expose, me didn't think I not fuck, you know. And that she exposed, you know. Me think of some video where her fuck she exposed. She passed her place where you can't give her no chance. It could have been serious than that. You can walk out the road tomorrow and a man shot in the head because a man see you on live and do certain things. You can't there your yard right now upon live and a man running upon you because they know where you live and say is a batty man in a them scheme or which part them live and bad man not take not them not want to see you because them see what you do or hear what you do and come hurt you.
Alright, my people. Look on Yankee, my people. The man reduced down to less than a month to blouse or skirt. Jaja. Why may I tell her? And look for him now, have nowhere to go. Other than which part him there now. You know what I mean? Him good even want to come out the door. You see me? And some man where I'll share split with Yankee. Yo, Jah no star. Boy, my people sometimes have to take bad things, make joke, you know. But I wish him all the best, my people. You know what I mean? I wish him all the best. Why? Cha. Let me know what you think, my people. I go watch some more, because we have Shay and Ridediie, my people. I have that to share with you too.
A woman where me do things with man already in her life, you know, but when you pass a place, take it from me, I'm telling the chronicles and the tales. When a woman draw them line and do things like that, you don't speak back to them. It put your life in danger. And all who support Annie, who support fuck with you, it's wrong and she should never have supposed to do that. The man do him do, she said did it on the internet already. Oh, we never know about it. Me never know about it. We never know about it. Now first today we know hear about them something and answer them something. We never know about it. And you make it be known and you pass a place and you gone wrong. And you breed Yankee. All them something I suppose me to take my money to buy 2 baby clothes. Why me not buy baby clothes and who me don't give baby clothes? Guys, thank you. MVP, what is that? Sweet Zen, thank you. You have to talk truth, you know, not because you're not dish. I need a breed or not breed?
I honestly don't know, I swear.
So now your baby mother in a carry got doctor. Suppose she get a jacket. She say I wouldn't know. In a carry got doctor go get test piss pan something and test to see if she pregnant.
Cause when she get mad, she says she not. So I don't know.
The poor man don't even know what Anya tell him. Say Anya try to secure her paper for go foreign. And that Anya do. Anya hear the twanging. And him man no more. Thank you, barbz. But me hear upon screen record say you pay for every Valentine's gift. Every Valentine's thing, actually. Me hear upon screen record say the Valentine's you no pay for one Valentine's. And she pay for them. So let me ask you a question. As a man, why you allow her to pay for the Valentine's? You know put a little thing towards it on a Valentine's Day? But you say, but you on the screen record, you say, she alone do it. She alone spend it, you don't spend dime.
No man, I'm talking about the ring.
So you say this me can't take her, you're Anya one of a kind, no. Yeah, Anya one of a kind. Me hear upon the screen record say to Jayden say about the Valentine.
Oh, the Valentine, the gift.
You say you didn't pay for anything and he paid for it.
Yeah.
So yeah, so what? Why you never? You probably never have the money at the time.
Yeah, at the time. Yeah.
Okay. So was the proposal real? Come I plan to come drop 2 lion there, but we can't take it light. So the wedding, what did go on for the wedding? You did propose to her for true, like you did mean it or any plan it?
She plan it, man.
Really? I can't work with that. Any plan it with TikTok police and you come back again with the Yankee? I don't think you're alright, man. I thought, no, you're alright. You sure you're not a member or a lie? Are you a liar? Tell per on your way I say a true.
No, I'm not lying. It's the truth.
You're not much different from somebody there. No? What's name? Where that? Not TikTok police. What that one name? Christopher. What the other one name? But Anthony. Him stressing me in a shock. So what you plan for do now in your life? What you plan for do now? Like how you get exposed? Or what your motive you know?
Bro, that ain't even the case with me, bro. It was just, I ain't even.
Yeah? You're scared? No, I mean like if you're afraid or what? You just go and chill. You not really move, you just go and chill?
Nah, I'm just, I don't know. I ain't even in the right mind. I think right now I'm just chilling, trying to figure it out.
And if a man go find Annie and chop up Annie now, who that say wrong? You blame a man, you know? You blame. Guys, I can't tell you, have to understand, you can't tell the man to come off her life. If a man look away this and make income and put a look of food in her pan. If Annie now come off her life with her big dirty thinking self, why the man for come off? No, let's be real. If Annie can sit down and talk to she fuck Batty man, remember him fuck Annie. So anything what Annie has said about the man and say the man shit up, fair pussy shit up too, cause the two of them lay down raw. If she can up on live, I bring him down and I get gift. Why him can up on live and get film gift them too? No more than the man now Annie again right now go fear away. So she just come out to do this. Where
People, me don't know how Yankee salt so, but me I tell you say this I go affect him, you know. And it go affect him big time too. You see me I say, as me I say in the video, him don't have no family down here. Him don't have a job down here. A TikTok he make little coins from. You see me I say, and this make enough people I go turn their mind from him. Enough people don't even go match with him either. So that the money they go kind of shrivel down. What am I go do? You see me I say, boy, I need do a terrible thing still in my people. Me not lying about them say hurt people. And I say him disrespect her and something she try with him. She get the video how much like 2 weeks ago she get the video, she said, and she never tried to put it out or anything because her man or whatever. So as me say in our previous video, my people, Annie did I use it as blackmail over the youth head, and you know what I mean, she find out that she can't control him, so she expose it. And yo, this thing dire consequences, my people. He might go face a lot, this Yankee out here. If not have nobody down here, I have to pay rent and them something there. He might go feel it. Big one thing, he might go feel it. Let me know what you think.
You do sir, you do something? You know that cost?
No.
Just get up and just do that, just sir?
Nah, she lied and said somebody sent her a voice recording saying that I was talking to somebody in Denham Town, and in the voice recording she said she heard me saying to the person how I was just using her and shit like that. I don't even know where Denham Town is. Like, that's a lie.
Lie shit. So she said that a voice note there, sweet thank you, babe. Why I never tell her the voice note that you listen to, send it to me so me can't hear? Why I never tell her that?
You're not gonna send it to me. I told her.
Because I lie, she tell. Chat, thank you. I lie, she tell.
Chat, appreciate it.
You know what Anya plan for do? Anya plan for start argument with the man. When she start the argument, she go use the argument. You have to say she dash with the belly. So, no, because remember, she not breed already, you know. She not breed. So, she go that one dash with the belly now, but she have to carry up one argument for use this and now for say at this make she dash with the belly. But really and truly, there was no belly to dash from the get-go, because she knows the belly have to go start grow and we have to go see what go on. You look at pranks, them not add up no more. So this a argument, she have to just come up with something for start a series with the man for argue with him, and then for can expose him and the thing them. And you go, I bet any money she says she dash with the belly, or she have a miscarriage. He's a liar. It told them I tell lie in some way, but Annie still wrong. There, me not see what the man do with Annie would have. Me this is something for your body here that I want piercing or I want that dep on your then. On a tip, right there, sir. Right there, sir. I want, honestly, I want piercing.
Ivany, man.
Alright, me I left it. Boy, and alright, man. Me could lift right there, sir. What up your head here, sir? And at the end of you, I just save it now. You know me that do it for me, I that make a report. You should make a police report and tell them that your video got leaked and you fear for your life. All of the vlogger pages them where I send out the video, give the police them the vlogger pages them, because majority of them we know who they behind of them. And anything ever happen to you, them all know if you go look up Mountain, and them all know if you go look up T pages and them pages with up on TikTok. And tell them say Annie is a part of it too. Go and go make a police report. You must think of something serious this. Then we see a road and do things. And maybe you live. Not comment, Mika breed. Come like Annie just come with her blood. I mean Annie then come like I hardest thing to take off a TikTok. The whole generation, we can't take them off. I know what, let me ask you one question, sir. Are you look Annie or Annie look you? Annie say you care upon date.
That's true.
Are the part that true?
Yeah.
So are you hit her up?
We was like this. We was on live. I didn't like hit her up. We was on live, and then I asked her out on the date. She said yeah.
Which was? You said what?
No, we was on. I just came across her on the live and just asked her out on the date.
Just so? So what you seeing, Annie? Already I try to get a little popularity.
I don't know. She ain't really. I wasn't really judging her off all.
I don't think your life in a danger. You want to know why? I'm gonna show you why I don't think your life in danger. You're gonna be alright. You see your little friend here, so trust me. Yeah, man. Yeah, you're under good control. You identify the face? Nothing audio. I tell her. Nothing audio. Not just a word. Not that a thing audio. Nothing audio. Like you can't just live your life. You can't go out. You can't go anywhere you wanna go. Life no stop. Them the man there make sure say nobody no touch you than a Jamaica. You want look of food, they will help you. Javi, he made that talk to the pan live. You don't know him, I just today send him a request.
No. I'm a dog that man, I'm a brother that.
The people them a laugh like they think a joke. And them man you watch her. You know so I'm not take nothing serious. Y'all don't take nothing serious. Them the man there are the leader for bottom. Them now make nobody do you anything. I promise you, you're alright. Baby! With the fucking galaxy. Thank you. Wait. What happened? What did I say? Hold on. Let me add him back. Y'all be laughing. Y'all laughing. He hang me up, y'all. Friendly my power with let's add him back. Hold on. No, I seen him on live. Hold on. Annie the live. It's what him a tell lie. Him a tell lie for Annie a tell. Oh, it says not lie. Maybe he got banana, y'all. Maybe TikTok gonna buy me too. Annie the live. Me could say Annie want request. Yeah, I think he got banned. What Annie name again? Annie what? What Annie page name again? She not alive neither. Bro, you can't do your nigga like that. Like, let's be real, y'all. You found out your nigga is gay. You found out your nigga is gay. Would you break up with him? And he just got you pregnant. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna break up with him. Just remember, I want man that, guys, the man done fuck you already, you know. The man done fuck you already. The man done breed you. All you gotta do is bring the nigga to the doctor, get his ass washed out, get yours ass washed out, get a tube, let the doctor push it up, wash the baby private area in case the little shit water touch that. So that's about it. What you gonna do?
Some people.
The man done.
Let me know what you guys think in the comment section.
And you not stop mine, man.
Why?
Big Valentine's Day. You gonna buy nigga shit. Niggas supposed to buy you things for Valentine. What the fuck?
Because there's nothing you can say to a person who just get exposed for being a body man, and there is evidence.
Me not give a man nothing for Valentine. Me I tell you the truth. Me not give a man nothing for blood clot Valentine. A man have to give me Valentine for body man still not know what. No, me understand why Annie give the man gift for Valentine. Annie know about the man long time. She live, spam her, spam Annie admin. Let's be nice to Annie. Cause she gonna wanna leave. So let's be nice. Hold on. What's her page? What page? Chat, we gonna be nice, okay? We gonna act like we're on Annie's side. We gotta be cool. We gotta be cool. Annie what? Damn, the comment going so fast. Annie, hold on. Let me see. Oh, let me follow this page. She gonna think I'm coming with drama. Yo, tell Annie add me.
Trev gone.
No, I'm still here. I'm not gone anywhere.
So we can't do here, though.
The man, she bad man,
What am I do? So how much you charge? 2 bills?
Oh, she said 50,000 or 60 when you come on for your hairstyle.
But me not give 50 I think of 50,000.
No, tell him Zoe. Don't afraid to tell him what you say. What's Zoe afraid to tell him?
Okay, so I'm gonna go.
Yeah, go on. Yeah, go on. You gotta read the room.
No, we have a right for Vix with you.
Trev, go on, Trev.
No, the fact that you're not reading the room because I do not want to talk about her ex-man and you're still bringing up his name, and the fact that you're not reading the room because you're trying to be fucking messy and it's not working right now. She's not in a messy stage and you need to read that fucking room that she do not want to talk about him. Okay? Read that room, bitch. Hit me back up.
Oh.
You can't talk like a man. Batman.
Baby, you make him talk to you like that?
Eh?
Yep, she did that.
Yeah, man, him do it. I alone me have strength for.
Me alone?
So what happened? This is yo, I'm doing. Honestly, look for me, sir. What happened? If you read your room, yeah, uncle.
Oh, maybe it's me. Maybe I need to be there.
Why you want to leave the room?
I have nothing to say.
You know what to say? So you're not here walk on today? You're not scrolling, Okay.
Yeah, let you man and a jail man and a mix up.
No, me just ask her if she not see, me just ask. Me not drive. This is Annie and Zoe.
Hi, good night. Hello. You said that already, babe.
Rosie, talk to Zoe, see if shifts we talk to you more than me.
What do you want me to say?
Say hi Zoe, what's up?
Hi, Zoe. She
Zoe, Rosie, talk to you.
God.
See?
It look like she vexed with you too.
Zoe, Rosie, talk to you. Hi, Rosie.
Hi.
Rosie, she in her mood now, yeah?
No worries, I understand.
And she say hi about Jayden. Are you she big you?
So Rosie, I think you can take her out of that mood. Try it, you can try it, darling.
You see, sometimes when people are in a mood, they don't want to be troubled or bothered. You understand? Somebody just needs to leave people where they're at.
That is sometime, but no, I think she wants somebody to talk to. Okay.
I'm sorry, I cannot right now.
Okay.
Yeah, just leave them to be. Okay.
This is Annie. Okay.
Yes, we like 3-4 times you introduced her.
Yeah.
Yes. And I hope Annie's doing well.
You ever tell about me?
Not. I just.
Me never tell about Annie.
What do you mean? Like, what? To say what?
I believe you. Rosa, I believe you. I never tell her.
We can't be saying I tell Rosie about me.
Like, what should I know? Like what?
You ever talk anything good about me?
Good?
Yeah.
Mentioned you? Like, Dave, what did you say? Because I don't remember.
Because it's a whole lot of things we say.
Yeah, so I just don't know. But I'm sure you mentioned it for sure. But I know you like offer from the For You page, like for the videos and.
Yeah, I mean they said that woman here is a good woman.
The
remember?
family is a perfect couple. Me not lie on no match.
No. Annie, me that say she tell anyone me that say. Me that say Annie is a good woman and.
You're very loving. You're very caring.
Yeah.
You're a strong woman. That's what he was saying. You're a strong woman.
You said that about me?
Yes.
Yeah, Annie, you're strong, of course. Yeah. Annie, you're awfully strong for the fire, so.
That's true.
The amount of beating I get all from me. You're awfully strong.
Holy.
Yeah, you're awfully strong.
Oh, and she can cook?
Alright, me kind of feel
Yeah,
good.
Annie, yes, she can. Rosie, she can cook better than you, me not lie.
Okay.
Yeah, she bad for the cooking, man. She can
no
cook.
problem. That's no problem.
Yeah, one time she did time, you know.
Oh, try you with the cooking? What's it? Curry chicken, curry goat?
Yeah, and she didn't want in our relationship. That's why we probably never you know.
Oh, you didn't get tired and we're full circle.
Hey, don't listen to the mad boy, yeah?
Trust
don't
me.
listen to him.
But Annie,
Then go for it, say here.
yeah man, Rosie,
Aye.
Annie can cook. I think Annie can teach her.
Oh. Okay.
But the cooking part. Annie, would I let her with the food?
You can cook, baby girl?
Sorry? Yeah, I can cook. Or ask Jay actually. But I think you like my cooking, Jay?
Yeah, what she
Yes.
cook for you?
She can't cook. She can't cook, man. She can't cook. Yeah. Annie would have Rosie would have left her around Annie for 2 days, you know. Can't teach her to cook, man. You see. What do you think about that, Rosie? What do you think about that?
What?
Left her around Annie, so you cook also. Learn to cook.
Yeah, we never see too smart in much in our life. I swear to God.
Rosie, you still answer me, darling.
Sorry, I'm
Yeah, what?
making the chili.
What glitch? What glitch?
Bring my TikTok, the screen. Like your
What do you
in-house.
Alright. You want me text you and tell her?
Huh? My
You want me text you and tell her?
my phone is dead. My phone is dead. Can't text me.
Oh, your phone dead. Which phone dead?
Then you text me and it's dead.
Oh, alright. So, alright. That phone away, the live fan.
The Wi-Fi, yes, the Wi-Fi. It's in and out. Any used?
So, you hear me? Rosie.
I go block you. You feel like me not see you know. Hey, me can't read now, you know. Watch you. Hold the block you. Just to that.
Rosie.
Yes, Jayden.
You hear me, baby? Aye. You hear that?
Jesus, please. Read the room. Read the room.
No, Annie. No, go away. Annie, don't go away. Me I try to get something in play, yes, so. Rosie.
Yeah, you talking to me?
Yeah, me I talk to you.
What happened?
Me I say. You hear me? Annie, tell her what me I say, Annie.
Okay,
Alright, the people, just tell me what you guys think in the comment section, and I will continue to watch it, the people. So let me know on it.
Tell her.
I'm gonna go.
She ain't hear you now.
Where I go?
Jay, you're glitching.
Rosie don't want you left me around her. She don't want to stay around me.
Why is that?
Jayden?
Eh?
Stop it.
Stop what?
I don't buy it, you know. I don't buy it, baby girl.
Rosie, she don't buy.
Stop.
Stop what?
What are you doing? Stop it.
What me I do? No.
Stop talking stupid. Stop.
Me I say, me I go left you around Annie for 2 days so you can learn more in our cooking.
Stop. Anyways, how was your day? You good?
Me feel man.
Jano. Yeah, my mother-in-law feel that way now.
Then she don't want to say it. She don't want to stay around me. She don't want to stay around me. She don't want to say
Not even that. Like, come on.
Alright, me go there.
Yeah, no, she had to be foot in the Jayden. Yeah, no, stop.
If we're all gonna be there, no problem. You know, it's when I feel comfortable and safe with. Alright, gonna be there. You said, oh, there's a mother-in-law in the chat.
Yeah, my mother-in-law.
Okay, no problem. Oh, how much
What mother-in-law mean? What mean? What that mean?
Jesus
Annie, what that mean? Annie?
Baby, I don't know what I mean.
What that mean, Rosie? What that
Let's
mean?
go with the daughter, you have a mother-in-law.
Right. So she's your mother-in-law, you're saying?
No, Lord, no, rascal.
Fix up that.
Yeah, Annie, what me say?
Mother said, I would just say, in TikTok, mom.
Oh, the TikTok mom.
Our stepmother.
One you know like sometime.
Oh.
Our godmother. Our ex-mother-in-law. Yes, Rose.
Okay, that one
Annie Love River. Rose, Annie Love River. Yes, you say you can chill more while you see. Cause Annie Love River and probably you love river, you know.
You know I love the beach.
Yeah, Annie love beach too. What else I love?
So you go to the river when you're here?
Yeah, we went to the river the other day. It was nice.
Okay, how you like it? How you enjoy it?
It was good. It was a good time, good vibe. Okay. It was nice.
Annie, you want ticket good? Annie, you want ticket good?
Oh?
You want ticket good?
No, never.
I
mean, no problem if you want add him on the screen.
No, me can't bother. Your blood pressure high right now.
Me relax, man.
Yeah, relax. You see, relax. You can't bother the cussing. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. So you can chill. Rose, you can chill with animal while is it?
Alright. Well, Annie, honestly, I hope you have a better night. I'm gonna go. Nice meeting you always. Jay.
Well, happy birthday.
Thank you, Jayden.
Tin, you look like tapping us.
I wouldn't say nothing when you're up in your face, sir. Batman shit up your pussy. Shit take over your home. I wouldn't say when you're asking up in your face, you're just a shimmer.
You better go, look here, you need to go shave your beard. I mean, you need to shave it. No, seriously.
Yes.
Yeah, but don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. You need to shave your beard before you come talk to me.
Yankee like gonna be a water, dude.
Well, at least in my pussy, but I guess in your mouth. I guess in my pussy, but in your mouth, Tiki. Remember, say I hear that. Remember, say I hear that, bitch.
What the motherfucker?
Rose, why are you?
Oh my god.
Oh god, make it.
No, you are. Woman look nice. See how they Rose look nice.
Oh, she about the marriage from?
Yeah.
Did I eat fish?
You look like puffer fish.
Like a puffer fish?
Yeah.
As long as me don't look like you. Me like I brush hair that take it that you will tell a woman say you're Freaky Friday.
Yeah, she know all of that. You look like mother cow.
You tell a woman say you used to take makeup brushing at your wall.
Yeah, she know all of that and she do it too.
No. Jayden?
No. Rose, you have to stand up with me.
No. I don't
stand up with me, darling.
I don't run those games.
Yes,
I'm not game there.
Okay.
Right.
Alright.
That was maybe, but not here.
So chat to no say me not get no back door no. You understand? Okay. So Tiki, you know watch him, look on him. If you want wheel in a clothes him and he looks up. I look like one proper fish.
Perfect view.
Tiki, give me a 360 there. We have a father cow, mother cow.
We have the brown cow. You got milk?
Stealing her clothes.
Hey, my people, me I bet you know by next week, me I give the lion man by next week for mix up in woman, for getting woman in a mix up. Watch and see. By next week, this boy I go get him woman mix up with somebody else. Some cousin I go on. You hear me say? You hear me say? Watch and see. You see him I go on road. Yo, this boy I go mix up with woman, you know. Watch and see. You remember me did tell you no.
Sea lion. Stuffed turkey. Trick. Sea cow. Auntie cow. Mother cow. Father cow. Horse, Uncle cow, Mama cow, lion. But Rosie look good, man.
Thank you, baby.
And I like anytime I see him, would turn up.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Later, Jen.
I'm not going. Annie, where I go?
Baby, not here, not now. Don't say that here.
I don't come here and fresh up and come back when you live.
If me not say it, why other man go say it?
Tell your husband to behave. Yes, behave. He cannot be tamed.
Left up less of one bit. It 2 days left up less, you probably turn 1 hour.
Baby, stop doing that on me.
No, I'm just tell her about the lifestyle where she have over there. See it. It's a big dot. It's a them not keep man for 1 day.
PDK, help me.
Them ever switch man.
Oh God.
It's a woman where get engagement ring, but you never reach marriage.
Okay.
But me love her same way.
Alright.
So what we are doing now? Tiki, where
I was trying to go.
Hey girl, all your windpipe me that pop out of your blood clot. You don't believe me? Just come here. Come here. Can you see this? Or this alone you have? Pure mouth. Pure mouth you have. And every day you come and you post about passport. And the passport now I'm not booking flight, booking reference number in night. Eh? The passport now no booking reference number in it. Nothing. Then what me I do with passport? Then if me have passport like you know, me no want like a flight too. Cause the way you not talk about passport like it's a blood clot accomplishment. And blood clot American passport they pan number 12 or 14. All Belgium passport blood clot bigger than phone one. Belgium and Switzerland passport they are third. Bigger than phone one, they are 12 and 14. And yeah, big American passport. Every day you come about passport. You know, come take a flight and come. Warm to you. Your JUTC bus work now give you time. Eh? Singapore is the first. Don't question me. Remember me a bright girl. I do whole heap of investigation. I really bad. Singapore is the blood clot strongest passport in the world. I wrong on my right chat. Hello? Get little time off and come here. Simple. Get little time off and come here. That's what you need to do. You know, say chat a follow me in every comment section. Get little time off and come here. I want to get some screwworm for blood clot drink. You come like dog. You come like the dog them will have ticks and flea no blood clot and have soap on them. And when the dog them get little bite up from other dog, them use a screwworm and spray them blood clot and they saw them purple up and blow up. I saw me want blood clot dear. You know how much info me get boy and me just avoid you? You know how much info me get boy and me just avoid you? I make you go on and me hear your auntie power screen record that tell us if you leave me alone. Because me not see you. And me see the shame in your blood clad face. Everywhere me there you follow me up. I not know what you put on me that I never wear. I'ma go up on my next page. In a one bag of cheerleading clothes like you go to school. Then coupon blood clot yo. One bag of cheerleading clothes like you're going to school. You know how long we left school? Oh, all your big fuck out, girl. Mr. go dig up your baby father bones them out of the earth, Glenn, and go eat them. Nothing where you put on me that never put on. Let me look for my next page. Come in and do fake page, bitch. Real page. I'm go for my Shay 3.0 page and look. All right. Wait.
Bitches be thinking they bigger than me, but who bigger than me when I'm bigger than Ben? I'm bigger than
Pierce skirt like he's a cheerleader. Who you cheer for New York? Who you cheer for New York? Move now. Move blood clot this now.
You know you could be the winner if you really want.
Not the way you put on me now blood clot. We look by your foot in a heels. Favor chicken foot no blood clot. Hey girl, Gwenna. Then me I go wear this address here. Hey girl, Gwenna. Gwenna. Now go and come and talk about your top girl and this and that. Bitch, me now wear this. Me now wear that. What the fuck? You know, from when you have on a red wig, yeah, before Valentine's Day, fall in a blood clot. Before Valentine's Day, you have in the wig.
which girl?
Not even this me I wear.
That's a fucking clown.
Not even this me I wear.
And if she school, she get a box for
me not wear this. Me not wearing that. Not even that me wearing. That is a no-no for me. That just look like you buy it for Wish. Yeah, tell girl who look good from who this. What is?
I only want the best for me. The best. The best job. The best.
This a suit where you have on. It favor look a bubble bag them you come in and little things or just buy them new. You don't know that chat? You know, just buy one little shoes or one little top. I will take out the things them out of the bag and little bubble bag so come pop. You get pick them, make them pop the blood clot bubbles. I saw that clothes they look. Me not wear that. The bubble wrap. Me not wear that. Yes.